It's going really good. Today's a little bit rainy. We're headed to the bar in Afton, and we got people paying attention to what's going on. And we got people playing a game, some sort of a game called, what is it?
Word on the street.
Word on the street. And this is a tour of the boat. Me and Stephanie's room. And that's south there. We went off that slide a lot. Caught a nice big channel catfish. I'll try and send a picture. It's awesome.